Assalamualaikum. Hello level 2. I am your teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Hope level 2 you all are doing well. As this is your science unit, so take out your textbook of science and open page number 50. Level 2, today we are starting our new unit number 11, which is electricity. One important thing level 2 is that open your exercise book. In your exercise book, first make a title page of final term and then make another title page after title page of final term, the title page of unit number 11, electricity. Also maintain your index. Alright. Now start the unit number 11 with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Electricity is a type of energy. Beta, as we all know what is electricity, but we don't know what is energy. We don't have a clear concept of energy. Electricity is a type of energy. Electricity means flow of current, flow of electric charge. What is energy? Taking the example so that you will understand level 2 what is energy. For example, if you want to push a heavy object, for example, if you want to push furniture, sofa, or for example this refrigerator. So beta, to push these heavy objects you need energy. Without energy you cannot push any heavy object. For example level 2, in Ramadan, as we all are fasting, during fast we are not able to push heavy objects. Why? Because our energy level is down. But after iftar and in normal days, we can easily push heavy object using our energy, because at that time our energy level is high. So electricity is a type of energy. If we have energy, then the flow of electricity, then the electricity will be available. Electricity is usually made from other types of energy. For example, burning coal. You can see in the picture level 2, by burning coal we can produce electricity by gas or oil, heat and light, wind or falling water. Level 2, I hope you all see that these type of fans in highway. So beta, this is used to produce electricity with the help of wind and falling water. In this unit beta, in today's lecture we have 11.1 topic, which is mains, electricity and batteries. So beta, what is mains electricity? Most electricity you get comes from a power station through wires. You can see level 2. These are the wires. Electricity from a power station is known as main electricity. What is the definition of mains electricity? Electricity from a power station is known as mains electricity. Alright. But on page number 51 we have a question, what is meant by main electricity? So the answer is electricity from a power station is known as mains electricity. The wires carry a lot of electricity, which means a lot of electric charge. They have to carry enough electricity to power all the electrical appliances in our home. For example, if we do not have electricity, we cannot run our refrigerator, even we cannot run our exhaust, our machine, oven, our vacuum cleaner, our AC, kettle, electric kettle and our microwave. We cannot run these electrical appliances without electricity. So the type of electricity which help these electrical appliances to work is the type of mains electricity. In offices, to run computer, laptop, printer, scanner and all the other devices, cameras in factories to run heavy machinery and other places. Level 2, the light that are turned on the night time cricket match. These lights uses mains electricity. These lights or this electricity is a type of mains electricity. Now batteries, electricity from batteries. Level 2, some electricity you use comes from batteries. How? Because the batteries store a small amount of electricity. Beta, in this battery a small amount of electricity is stored. That's why some toys or some objects, mini toys, robots, mini cars, these can be run with the help of batteries because batteries store a small amount of electricity. Batteries are also used to produce light in a torch, or we can also use batteries in our wall clock, in our TV remote, in our daily uses toys. Okay, level 2. Hope you understand this topic. Now what is your task? Your task is your class work. This is your class work. Okay, on page number 51 we have 3 questions. What is meant by mains electricity? Answer is electricity from a power station is known as mains electricity. Question number 2, how does this electricity reach our homes? The answer of this question is electricity reaches to our home through wires from a power station. Question number 3, what do batteries do? So beta, answer yourself. What do batteries do? Whatever you want to answer, just write the answer by yourself. Alright, so this is your classwork. Do complete your work and send me the pictures. Hope level 2 you understand this interesting topic. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.